everyone. Alrighty, so we are looking at the market at the 1 minute, 5 minute here. This morning we had a beautiful setup we missed. So we held London low, bounced up, retested. We were already holding the lows here from overnight. So that was an indication with that first buy up, second retest, broke above. Entry could have been right here. It was a beautiful trade. However, coming up that much, we usually we broke all these levels. We need to do a retest anywhere from 50 to 70, 30, 50 or 70%. So right now we came back down to BD. Let's see if we are going to. So IB that I use sometimes, this is the midpoint. The EMAs are still crossed up, but they're getting tighter and tighter as it's squeezing. We are, low in the market today. We had some bullish moments as we were climbing. We went back to bearish as we came down. However, JPM was down, but now JPM and Apple are up in green. Apple was in the $3. It did drop a little bit. So these are kind of fighting each other. This is why you're seeing the drop and climb be a little bit slower. We had nasty pull downs on this 5 minutes, as you can see. All right, I had to walk away for a second. Anyways, so these 2 wicks. Say looking on the 1 minute, this was our first trade setup. We missed. We swept. We actually were. Like I said, we supported this area strongly. So buy up, buy up. Looking at a 1 minute, give you an entry option for a beautiful long. Usually coming up this much, we start fading out. Market gets weak. And we always look for a 30, 50, or 70% retrace, which roughly we're at that level. However, these 2 wicks are liquidities, so sometimes we need to reclaim this. So it's possible we come all the way back down here before we get any continuation, unless this support here on the 70% starts breaking structure, retest to go back up. And hit pause again until the market sets up. Also, when you look at the 5 minutes here, these sell-off wicks is an indication, especially below the 5 minute 200, was an indication that we don't have a strong supported area to hold. These keep selling off, selling off, selling off stronger each 5 minute when you look at it. So yeah, it looks choppy on the 1 minute. Why? Because the market is down, and then JPM was down, but climbed back up. Apple was up $3, $4, and then started coming down. So these two are kind of fighting against each other. Either we're gonna reject this VD as we came back up to play back to the lows, or we break back above, retest, and claim higher. Still waiting to break some structures. It can go sideways since we've already done the move. Just be patient until the setup is perfect. Okay, we broke it. Let's see if we retest it. Making sure that 5 minute closes, but sometimes we'll base it off of intuition. We can get near it. Seconds to go. Are we going to get a pullback, or is this going to just be continuous? Seconds. think they have to wait another 5 minutes to see, but sometimes if we're on the go, we're on the go. Is VB strong enough to continue, or is this just a stop hunt? I don't like that wick that it did. I would usually take that into consideration too, because it's a quick sell-off. Could have been a stop hunt and just grab everyone's stop. But if the market structure is set up to go back up, then that shouldn't matter. Points. Stop. Overdone. Yeah, to my position. There you go. It's an easy 125 there. But don't add to position like that. Risk it. He's looking for a fast pump. We haven't gotten it yet. If we don't get a fast pump, I might just take whatever profit I get. Beautiful.